Hi guys! Today I will show you a universal marinated tofu recipe you can use in any Asian style cooking. This time I'll be using this as a sushi filling, but you can also use it for stir fry, as a ramen topping, or just have it with some rice and vegetables. We will start with 200 grams or 7 ounces of firm tofu. To get rid of the excess water, grab some extra firm paper towels, wrap the tofu and gently press it for a few minutes. Cut the tofu into desired pieces. I will cut it into 1/3 of an inch or 1 cm wide sticks for Maki Rolls and a few 1/3 of an inch or 1 cm thick slices for Nigiri. You can also cut it into cubes for stir fry, thin slices for ramen, or basically whatever you want. Now let's make the marinade. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, half a tablespoon of rice vinegar, half a tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/8 teaspoon of ground ginger, and stir it well. Now get a container roughly the size of your tofu. You can also use a sealable plastic bag or just double the amount of marinade for a bigger container. Pour a little bit of the marinade on the bottom, place an even layer of tofu on top, pour some more marinade onto it, add another layer of tofu and pour the rest of the marinade to fill the container. Put it in the fridge and let it rest for at least 4 hours, so the best would be overnight. When the tofu is soaked up with the flavor, take it out of the container, pour about 2 tablespoons of oil onto a non-stick pan, warm it up, and fry all sides until the tofu is golden brown. You don't have to discard the marinade. Just add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water and half a teaspoon of cornstarch, mix well, and you can use it as a stir-fry sauce. When the tofu is done frying, place it on a plate lined with some paper towels to soak up the excess oil. At this point, the tofu is ready to eat, but I want to use it for sushi. How are you going to use this recipe? You can share your ideas in the comments. For nigiri, get about a tablespoon worth of cooked sushi rice, make a little ball and press it against your palm with your fingers to get an oblong shape. Place a slice of tofu on top. Now get a thin stripe of nori, place it on top and wrap around your nigiri. For Maki Rolls, get a 4 inches or 10 centimeters thick slice of nori sheet. Place the rice on the sheet in an even 1/3 of an inch or less than 1 centimeter thick layer. Leave about 1 inch or 2 centimeters of space on top of the sheet. This will help the roll to stick together. Put the tofu sticks on the rice and gently but firmly roll. Keep pressing the roll the whole time so you don't have any empty spaces. Slice the roll into 1 inch or 2 centimeter thick slices. Keep your knife wet while doing this, it helps the rice not to stick. Do you want to know more about making sushi? Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss my guide on how to make sushi. I will explain everything in detail. Is there anything else you would like me to cook? Let me know in the comments. See you later!